upgrade and you don't want to miss this because Embassy Group is coming up with its newly launched project right here in Hebbal, North Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jaital and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Embassy Astra. And right now I'm standing near to our land parcel, so this will be the main entrance of our project from Kirloskar Business Park, and the land parcel is inside over here. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and the project is spread across 10.5 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 residential tower with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 23 floor, offering you 3 BHK plus staff room, 3.5 BHK plus staff room and 4 BHK plus staff room premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located near to Belleri Road in Hebbal, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and right now I'm standing on the service road of Belleri Road, and the main entrance will be right over here from Kirloskar Business Park. And now about the Belleri Road. So this is the Belleri Road, and this road on the left hand side will connect you towards Hebbal flyover, and this side road will take you towards airport. Now about the further connectivity and the location part. So ST Mall is just 2 minutes away, Hebbal flyover is 4 to 5 minutes away, Manyata Tech Park 14 minutes away, and Mall of Asia, that is Phoenix Mall of Asia, in 10 minutes from this project. Now about the amenities part, and the project offers you world-class amenities like of 32,000 square feet of brand clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, landscape garden and many more. Now about the super built-up area, and the project offers you 3 BHK plus staff room starting from 2050 square feet to 2100 square feet. 3.5 BHK plus staff room is starting from 2450 square feet and goes up to 2500 square feet. 4 BHK plus staff room is starting from 2950 square feet and goes up to 3000 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage, so our EOI window is open now, and we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Embassy Group newly launched project in Hebbal, North Bangalore, that is Embassy Astra.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.